Hi everybody, and today's video is my garden renovation video. So I pretty much every summer redo my garden because I do let it go during the winter months because obviously in the UK nothing grows, nothing flowers, and it's just a maintenance really for cutting the grass. So at the start of the month it has taken me a while to get around to doing this video actually, and I've been filming stuff for the last few months because it's like you do it one weekend and then you're busy for the rest of the weekends for that month. So I started off by having 6 steps that I have wrote down on my phone, and I'm just going to go through like how I go about redoing and revamping my garden. Shh. Okay, so step 1 is going to a garden centre and buying plants and flowers. So today's job is going around all of the garden centres, which is where I am right now, and picking out some plants, mainly for my borders today, and hopefully some for the pots as well. Yeah, it's one of them no makeup days, so let's get going. Back from being at a few garden centres. For some reason this is really dark lighting. There you go. Now I've been to 3 garden centres, well technically 2, and I went to B&M and had a look because our B&M has a garden section. From there I really got like the lavender plant, but I will show you all what I've got. I just want to show you what I've got inside because at the minute they're all sat outside on the table just waiting to be planted. So at the minute all I can show you is these I got. So I went with my mum a few weeks ago to the garden centre and we saw these, and I didn't buy them at the time, but so you hang them up on the wall, obviously for outside, you hang them up on the wall with a plant pot in the hole. So these, I got 2 of them. So yeah, I got 2 of them, same design. These were both $6.99 each. There were some other ones for like $8.99, but obviously I went for the cheaper option. I haven't got any plants though. Well, I've been plant shopping, I know, and I haven't got any plants for these. I need to get them up, it's fine to know where to put them first, so I know if I want trailing or just pretty colours. I also need some plant pots to fit them in. The flowers, the next step is to plant them. I have got 2 planters that I have either side of my gate to walk into, like the grassy bit of my garden, and I've had them since last year, and I actually bought them from Home Bargains. I did mention them in a Home Bargains haul once. I will link that up there somewhere for you to go and have a look, but I actually really love these, and it's like my feature for my garden. That's what I like to think of it as. But before planting anything, I just have to pull up a few weeds and have Anthony cut the grass and just like maintain it. So basically just, you know, sorting out the soil, getting new soil and things. So buying all the decorations for the garden, and you'll see what I mean, it's time to finally put everything up. So I got a few like wall arts and a few lights and just basically put them all up. My favourite thing when doing up a garden is adding decorative pieces. So this was from being reduced to £3 from being £4.99. It's just this beautiful mosaic, it says gecko but lizard, and I'm so excited to put this up. It was reduced because it's just a little bit chipped, but there he is in all of his glory. And then there's also some lights to put up on around our seating area. These were £4.99 from Aldi's, and Anthony is about to help me put these up. Now the last step is to show you around my garden of my garden tour. So some of these clips, you will actually see the difference. Some of the clips are from when I first planted everything, so nothing had really flowered yet. And to now, a few things that had already flowered have died, and a few things that hadn't flowered are now alive. So there is a bit of a contrast between the two, but I just wanted to show you like what it did look like when I first planted and what it looks like now. The shed, I'm aware my shed needs a good paint, and we are hoping to do like a brightly coloured colour, but not quite yet. We're not ready for that. That might be next summer's job, or actually might be like an autumn job when it cools down a bit, because it's so warm to be out in the garden for so long at the minute. In the UK it's just too hot.